not just any boots, gentlemen. Today we're talking about suede boots because unless you've been living under a style rock this year, you know that suede is like all over the place in terms of Instagram. And hold the phone, gentlemen. Are you not following me on Instagram? Like, what's the deal? You don't like me? Follow me. I'm posting all sorts of incredible... Oh, there's one of my cat, Frank. Guys, link below if you want to check out my Instagram. Also, there's another link down below to Thursday Boot. They're today's video sponsor, and the boots that you're about to see, like, they have come out with some new models that are actually launching today that are like next level, like sexy. Like, there's one, what? Gray suede. Guys, down below this video, there is going to be a custom landing page. I talked to the owner, Nolan. I said, yo, I want to do a video all about suede boots. Can you build us a landing page that basically highlights the suede boots I'm going to be talking about, along with some suede like information like care and tips and just all the information you need in order to rock the crap out of these suede boots this year. Guys, if you like any of the boots that you're going to see, they're all linked down below. So if you dig them, go and grab them today because the new collection is launching like as we speak. And if you don't grab them today, you're probably going to miss out because supplies are limited, the boots are dope, and you are going to freak out. Today, gentlemen, I'm going over the Alpha M5 suede boot wearing rules. Suede boot wearing rule number 1. Suede boots are awesome. They add a whole nother level of richness and detail to an outfit and really help set you apart from all the other dudes wearing standard leather. Not that there's anything wrong with standard leather unless you're vegan and then you hate me today, but I'm sorry, but leather boots are sweet and they are awesome. Number 2. Every dude needs a pair of suede boots this season, unless you're vegan, and then don't wear suede boots. But suede boots, in my opinion, are something that every guy should invest in. They're cool, they're casual, and they are sexy. The third Alpha M suede boot wearing rule this season is find a pair of suede boots that you're going to wear like the most. There are a few different styles of suede boots. You have the Chukka. Suede Chukka, a personal favorite of mine. They're a little bit lower than some of these other boots I'm going to be showing you, and they're more casual. If you're somebody who doesn't mind laces, you're going to love these. They look incredible with jeans. They also work super well with chinos. The next option is also a personal favorite of mine, and that is the suede Chelsea boots. They come in a lot of different colors. Personally, this gray suede with a little bit of distressing by the toe, I think is nuts in terms of sexiness. So Chelsea boots are my personal pick for the most versatile boot out there. The thing that I love about Chelsea boots so much is that they don't have laces to get hung up on. These are the older model of Thursday boots, and as you can see, they're a little bit bigger and a little bit more like casual and rugged than the new style. Thursday recently launched a new cleaner, more refined version. These you could actually wear with like a suit. They look amazing. They're clean, they're simple, but they also come in this beautiful brown. The suede version and a suede Chelsea boot is, in my opinion, one of the sexiest boots that's out there this year. They work incredibly well with jeans, with chinos. I would definitely stay away, and one of the rules I would say is stay away from combining suede with corduroy. It looks a little bit funny. It's like fuzzy and fuzzy together, just doesn't really work all that well. In my opinion, this would work a lot better with something like a shiny, more refined leather. Third style of suede boot that you're seeing a lot of is sort of like this harnessy boot. The Jodhpur, in my opinion, is just a sexy boot. The thing that I really like about it is that it has a little bit more substantial of a heel. Some dudes aren't wild about heels, but if you're a shorty like me, you're definitely gonna love it. It also comes in black suede, which is dynamite. When it comes to suede boots, you really need to identify what style you're gonna wear the most, and then buy that style. Now, if you're somebody whose pockets are a little bit deeper and you want to rock a few different pairs, you can obviously see that there are a lot of different incredible colors. You've got this like sand suede, you've got them in gray. These double monks are like a green distressed suede, which they also come in boot form, but these double monks are actually Thursday boot as well, a new design, which are so nuts. Find the style and the color suede boot that you're gonna wear the most often. What I say and recommend is that if you're somebody who already wears like Chelsea boots all the time and you know that you love them, I would definitely invest in your first pair of suede boots in the same style. If you're always wearing leather Chukkas, go with a pair of suede Chukkas. This way you know that you already like the style, because what I find is that when people like go like too go like far outside of their box where they're like, yo, I've never worn suede and I've never worn like boots that look like this, and you buy them, you're going to be a little bit more like kind of hesitant to wear them. But if you buy something, a style that you know you love, you'll wear them. The fourth Alpha M suede boot wearing rule is don't worry about like taking care of them like and making sure that they don't ever get messed up. In my opinion, the suede boots look amazing when they start to get worn in and broken in. I used to think that you needed to baby suede and make sure that you're brushing it and taking care of it and tucking it in at night. And the truth is, you can wear it. And for me, I find that as the suede breaks in and gets a little bit rough, it's been in the rain, it gets a little bit more like distressed, it looks so much sexier. The fifth and final Alpha M suede boot wearing rule is that you need to remember that suede boots are casual. Okay, don't wear them with a suit. You don't want to wear them in like professional environments. These are something that are to be a little bit more playful. Wear them when you're going out, wear them when you're just hanging out. They look incredible with jeans. You can wear them with light or dark wash jeans. Chinos or other casual cotton pants look amazing with your suede boots. Like we said, there are a few options that you should stay away from. Corduroy definitely is a no-go when it comes to suede boots because fuzzy and fuzzy just looks a little bit funky. And if you're wearing dress slacks, you should definitely not wear suede. That's it, guys. The Alpha M top 5 suede boot wearing rules. To be honest, there really aren't that many other rules other than just wear them, right? Don't worry about them. Don't baby them. You don't need to polish them or brush them. In my opinion, they look incredible when they're broken in and worn in. If you're looking for some outfit inspirations, go to Google, right? Google like suede Chukka boot outfit, suede Chelsea boot outfit, and you're going to see a lot of incredible images and something that you can definitely take for yourself and replicate. Guys, that's it for me. I love you. I think you're amazing, but not as amazing. Just kidding. You're more amazing than these boots. Barely.